Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at integral health, which is the true healing according to God's design of a whole person, body, mind, spirit, and emotions. Have you ever wondered why some people recover from their illnesses faster than others? Or why some people maintain their vibrant health well into their golden years, while others are struggling with chronic conditions? What if the healing of your body is not so much in the medications or drugs, but in the power of your mind, spiritual and emotional wellness? The true health involves much more than physical health. In our modern world, where stress levels are all-time high and mental challenges affect millions of Americans daily, it is important to understand God's design of healing the whole person, not just physical, but body, mind, spirit, and emotions. For they are interconnected. That healing one affects all the others. When we understand this divine design, learn to work with it rather than against it, we will discover a powerful way to our wellness and health, far beyond physical remedies alone. Since our thoughts, emotions, spiritual condition directly impact our physical well-being, we can take advantage of this connection for healing and optimal health. Now let's look at spiritual health. A person's sense of purpose, meaning, and connection to a higher power, that is our Creator God, consists of, number one, beliefs and values that we hold. Number two, connection to a higher power, that I call that spiritual circulation. Number three, sense of purpose and mission that guides one's actions and provide meanings in life. Number four, ritual and practice like daily prayer, daily meditation. Number five, cultivating a sense of compassion for others and gratitude for the blessings and the protections, the goodness of God. Number six, inner peace and harmony regardless of external circumstances. When we learn to trust God completely in God's providence, we'll learn to surrender our worries, fears to the Lord, and maintain an attitude of gratitude and contentment consistently, regardless of our circumstances, and will enjoy better health than those who are consistently anxious and stressed. In Isaiah 26 verse 3 and 4, trust in God brings perfect, deep, continuous, unwavering calmness and peace. Faith is spiritual comfort as well as a powerful force that can literally transform our physical reality and health. How about prayer? It's the most powerful tool for promoting integral health, not just communication with God. Prayer is a healing activity that transforms both the person who prays and the circumstances being prayed about. When we bring our health concerns to God in prayer, ask for His healing touch, and commit to following His health principles or healthy living, we put ourselves to receive His supernatural intervention or miracles in our lives. Now let's look at mental health. A person's overall psychological, emotional, and social well-being. Mental health consists of, number one, feelings like happiness, sadness, anxiety, and stress. Number two, thoughts, beliefs, perceptions. Number three, how we behave, our actions, coping mechanisms, our relationships, and others. Our minds are constantly influencing our bodies through complex pathways. Therefore, it is important that we fill our minds with positive things, because worries, anger, despair, fears, hatred, unforgiveness, hostility, and negative emotions trigger negative physical responses in our bodies. The results on the body will be stress hormones flood our system, compromise our immune system, disrupt our digestion and sleep, and our bodies lose their natural abilities to heal and regenerate. We see that this mental and emotional distress manifests itself in physical disease. However, if we discipline and fill our minds with love, faith, hope, peace, positivities, and good things, our bodies respond with healing and vitality. Peace of mind is a healing balm that soothes not only the souls, but also the body. The positive minds and thoughts help boost immune function, reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, improve heart health, promote healing and longevity. In Matthew 11:28, Jesus says, "Come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden. I will give you rest." This is a prescription for health. That mental and emotional burdens often manifest as physical illness. In Isaiah 26 verse 3 and 4, when our minds are committed and steadfastly focused on God, He gives us perfect peace, which is a healing balm that creates optimal condition for our bodies to heal, recover, and thrive. I've heard that our minds are like gardens. What we plant will surely produce fruits in our physical bodies. Therefore, it is important to fill our minds with God's promises and positive things rather than anxieties, fears, despair, and negativities. Now let's look at emotional health. The ability to understand, manage, and express one's emotions in a healthy and adaptive manner. Emotional health consists of, number one, self-awareness. So we recognize and understand our own emotions, both positives and negatives. Number two, we learn to control and manage our emotions in a positive and healthier way, appropriately in coping with stress and expressing feelings. Number three, we are able to overcome or bounce back from challenges, hardships, and major changes. Number four, positive emotions. We learn to cultivate and express positive feelings like joy, gratitude, hope. Number five, interpersonal skills. We learn to build and maintain healthy relationships by communicating and managing emotions with others. Maintaining good emotional health is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. Positive emotions helps boost immune system, reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, improve heart health, promote healing, and long life. Take, for example, gratitude is a nice spiritual discipline as well as a powerful medicine that transforms our physical reality. When we cultivate the spirit of thanksgiving, choose to count on blessings, maintain attitude of appreciation, we enjoy better health than those who are consistently complain and are negative. Research shows that people who regularly practice gratitude have lower blood pressure, stronger immune system, better sleep quality, less depression and anxiety, reduced inflammation throughout their bodies, recover quickly from their illnesses and injuries, and enjoy greater overall life satisfaction and well-being. When we choose to be grateful, we literally choose health over disease, vitality over fatigue, healing over sickness. Now let's look at our physical health. When we think of physical health, it is the state of well-being of the physical body in terms of, number one, proper functioning of organs and systems like cardio, that is heart, respiratory, lungs, digestive, the digestive system, and pancreas, and liver, intestines, and musculoskeletal system, our muscles and our bones. Number two, absence of disease and injury. Number 3, optimal physical fitness, like strength, endurance, flexibility, and coordination of the parts of the body. Number 4, healthy habit, like balanced diet, regular exercise, proper sleep, enough water, oxygen, sunshine, and others. When we think of physical health, a state of physically fit, free from major health problems, able to perform daily activities effectively. So it's important to remind ourselves constantly that every moment of every day we are making choices that are whether contributing to our health or to our sickness. There's a saying that goes, we reap what we sow, right? Our daily choices in every area of our lives contribute to our overall well-being or sickness, like the food we eat, the thoughts we think, the emotions we nurture, the relationships we cultivate, especially with our Creator God. The lifestyle we choose, the work we do, all work together for our health or sickness. The most powerful healing takes place when medical care is combined with faith, hope, positive thinking, and healthy lifestyle choices. Therefore, through choosing to improve, nurture, cultivate, actively and positively participate in your integral health as our Creator God designs it, we can create the optimal internal environment for health and healing to flourish. As a result, our bodies will respond to these positive mental, spiritual, emotional choices with improved immune function, better sleep, more energy, enhanced or increased capacity for self-healing. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.